Ugitiri ni ukagacirithio kuigana kiharo-ini gia Kasarani muthenya wa rucio hindi ya ngucanio gatagati ga kirabu kia Gor Mahia na AFC Leopards kuringana na ripoti iria yerekereirio ni muikariri giti wa ugitiri kambuni-ini ya KPL GMT Otieno.
We held a prevent meeting on Tuesday at which both clubs were represented. Senior police officers were there. Officials from Sport Pesa were also present. And not to leave out members of the Sports Kenya. And we had a very very fruitful meeting.
GMT oroho ni augite ati thigari makiria maigana rimwe cigakorwo ikiriunga kiharo-ini kiu niguo kuiga ugitiri hamwe na thigari cia barathi oro hamwe na ngui niguo gwithemana na ngui oro ciothe ingiumana na ngucanio iyo.
There will be deployment of 100 police officers that will comprise both the AP and the regular police.
GMT oritie macabiki ma kirabu kiria gigakorwo gikihotwo gwitikira maumirira macio guku ningi akiuria macabiki aria magakorwo makihotana matikanae guthirikania niguo gwithemana na njukirira oro ciothe ingiumana na ngucanio ino.
We are asking the two club supporters to behave themselves, and whichever team loses, let their supporters go home knowing that there's always another day.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Getoshohi wa Ithefethi.